Malasoko. Tomorrow. 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 Malasoko. 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 Maba. Say Papa lo maba. Abure lo maba. Ebore lo maba. Anyway, hello everyone, how are you? Happy weekend. I want to say Jagaban. How are you all? I'm sure you all will be wondering why I'm coming out this late. It's just some tiny thoughts on my mind and I feel like sharing it with everyone. Everything is like a puzzle to me right now. Anyway, let me quickly apologize to the public for not showing up at Paso last night. I'm so sorry. I tender my unreserved apologies to everyone that was in attendance yesterday. I'm so sorry I couldn't make it. I was actually held up somewhere. By the time we finished, it was like 1:30, and I just, didn't feel like going out anymore. So I just went straight to sleep. So I'm so sorry to all AJ team that were in attendance, expecting me, anticipating my presence. Kindly forgive me. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so that is that. How are you, everybody?
Yes, so ori faji ni mo se kúrò lórí kan mo tún lọ sí kan. Ẹ ti mọ̀ pé sí oyin faji yìí náà ní nǹkan. Ó kú tí lájà Jagunbade wọ̀ Honorable Jaga sexy Jaga snake gangan.
Hello Toxicity, how are you?
Mo ti jayé jù ayé jíjẹ yìí náà ni. Bàbá máa tún rí wa tí wọ́n ní sí ìyá àwọn ọ̀mùtí. Ọtí mímu yìí náà ni nǹkan. Bísí oyin bá ti háì ó ń bọ̀ lórí láìnì yẹn.
Aṣọ máa dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run. Anyway, let me quickly share my food for thought with you all. My food for thought says Ikaa, apa, onika, rere aba eni rere. You guys should kindly share. I don't know how you guys are seeing the whole scenario, but honestly, I have not gotten over a lot of the revelation that has been coming out in recent times. But I just want to thank God for the gift of life. Seriously, we should thank God for the gift of life. Ọ̀tá ń gbèrò bàjẹ́, wọ́n dẹ̀ ń lùlù bàjẹ́, àmọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká dúpẹ́ f'Ọlọ́run pé ọba mímọ́ ò jẹ́ kó dún. I don't know why people have evil thought and evil mind. Kò sí adult kankan tó máa give excuse pé àwọn wà under duress, under obligation, or probably under any kind of pressure láti ṣe ìkà ni. Ìkà máa ń pa oníkà, rere dẹ̀ máa ń bá ẹni rere. I mean, when you have the mind to think about it, then you're very good at executing it. And after executing it, you should be able to own up to your mistakes, to those errors that you did them. Just own up to them sincerely. Don't put it on anybody. Don't lie on any innocent person out there. that you were under pressure or they probably instigated you to do it. Whatever it is you have done as an adult, you should be able to own up to it. I've always told you that whatever it is that you do in life, you should be ready, you know, for the repercussion. And also to own up to whatever it is that is coming back to you. Because it's a big deal, man. Rather than you lying on innocent people. Oh, ọ̀rẹ́ mi ló ní kí n ṣe, ọ̀rẹ́ mi ló mú mi lọ sílé ológun. Wọn kì í kọ́ adult láti lọ sílé ológun. Wọn kì í kọ́ adult láti pààyàn. Wọn kì í kọ́ adult láti dóko. Wọn kọ́ whatever it is you have done as an adult. Either ó jalè ni o, ó jówó ni o. You are very aware of your actions when you were doing it. And you should be fully ready for the repercussion when it boomerangs, right? I've been watching a whole lot of movies. It's like a movie to me now that did someone actually plan to kill me? I'm not pointing any finger, any bad finger at anyone. But seriously, when it requires attention and my own thought, I have to say, seriously, I have to contribute my little quota. Even though some people feel, oh, Abike, I thought you have done video. My doing video does not mean I have gotten over the shock of the news that someone actually tried to kill me. They made an attempt to kill me. And I know Esabod is fully involved. And all this one that Esabod is doing is not helping anything. Seriously. Go help. I know she knows how to deny. Opuroni agbayani obayejeni ikani akpayoni. And she was aware of all this while it was going on. And she never copped the parties that are involved or that probably invited her or that she probably influenced in a way or the other. She wasn't pinched. She was so happy that the repercussion will make her happy. At least Abike Jagaban will be going down. Over what? Over what? Over Kini Gongon. Facebook palaver. These are the people I have never set my eyes upon. These are the people I have never met. These are the people that I have not by adventure, mistake, or intentionally seen or known in any way. Why would you want to destroy èèyàn t'Ọlọ́run ọba dá? Why would you want to kill someone over what? Èèyàn tó rírí. And this is where you get to know the ruggedies. This is just Facebook fracas, a social media fracas. Why would anyone want to go to the extreme? Killing, wasting lives. It shows the wickedness that lives in men. Ikaa tó ń gbénú èèyàn, inú èèyàn ló ń wà. Well, it's easy for people to say, oh, can you just forget and forgive? I'm not saying I'm not forgetting or forgive. But I need to spill out my own peace of mind. And I need to put my people's awareness out there. I need to awake you people to the reality of life. Don't say because you are fighting one of your friends, oh, Shebona Kini Nikole Binu. No. After this, you all should grab some concrete message, warnings from this drama we have put up. And be careful when you're dealing with friends, both casual ones and close ones. It's not just worry at times. Some people will go to the extent láti finish here. Wọ́n fẹ́ yanjú ẹ pátápátá fẹ́ mú ẹ kúrò lórí ilẹ̀ ni. Inú wọn ò dùn. It's not everything that is bad that needs to be corrected or that wants to be corrected or that would like any attention. Àwọn nǹkan kan wà tẹ́ pé wọ́n mọ̀ pé àwọn ò dá but wọ́n ò fẹ́ anybody pay attention sáwọn. It is an eye opener to you all pé come on, ìkà èèyàn wà. Ayé dẹ̀ pé gbà. There are so many people I haven't even seen or met before on this social media thing. Why would anybody, because I say no to cyberbullying, because I kick against forms of, you know, some indecency, bullying, slandering, blackmailing.
And if you relate this with the Nigerian government, with our government in Nigeria, this is how it goes. If you see any individual rise, raise, or emerge from nowhere saying they want to eradicate poverty, or probably they want to put things right with our leaders, this is how they wage war at that particular person. Ibo ni wọ́n wà tó ṣẹ̀fẹ̀ wá dáwọ́ ìbàjẹ́ táwa tí ń ṣe láti yọdún ìdúró. Ibo ló wà láti jọjọ́ tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá mọ̀ pé ṣe dáadáa. And that is why we are not making any progress in Nigeria. There are so many countries that have just gained independence that lè rí yàtọ̀ sí colonial days at Independence Day one. And there are so many countries like ours. We are over 50 years now. It's still not obvious. It's still not glaring. We still cannot see. It's not proven in, much forms that we have actually gained our independence. Why? Because they will not allow the innocent ones to execute their plans to progress the country. Because corruption has taken over everywhere. And the same thing is happening on social media. When I say stop slandering Esabod, stop blackmailing, a lot of people were against me. And this is what is, working against me till this day. Why some people would want to kill me, eliminate me for no reason. I still can't get it out. I always, as much as I have said, I have forgiven, I still sit there and I'm like, this is real world for us. And now I know why people like Ken Saro-Wiwa did not live long. Now I know why people like Abiola Moshood did not live long. They killed them because they know they are lifesavers. They have come to save the economy, to restructure the government, the country. Look at it. This is just a social media mess that somebody is trying to put right. And next thing, they're trying to eliminate me. Ṣó tó yẹn ni? Kí là ń gbé? Kí là ń jù? Kí là mú wá sílé ayé? Kí là fẹ́ mú lọ gangan? Ṣó tó yẹn ni? O búyàn, wọ́n bú ẹ padà. O búyàn, kò yẹ pé o búyàn o. O búyàn, o dá sọ̀rọ̀ tí ó kàn ẹ́. Wọ́n bú ẹ padà. Does that bring about killing one another? Eliminating one another's lives? It's not worth it. Kí ló dé pé ìkà inú ọmọ èèyàn ló ń gbé? Kí lẹ fẹ́ gé níbẹ̀? Tẹ́ bá pa mí tán ṣé yẹn ni kó gún mi ni? Bẹ́ bá ya lágbájá ń wèrè ṣé yẹn ni kó gún dáwọ́ dúró ni? Even though I know they cannot do jack shit. Because mo máa ń sọ fún yín pé ọmọ ayé ni mí, ayé kan tó fẹ́ mi Àbíkẹ́ rúbọ. Kò sí bàbá lákú bàbá yálà ìyá bàbá ọmọ ẹni náà. Ìjọ́ tẹ́ bá dánwò mo sọ fún yín mi ìdẹ̀ ṣeré. Ilé ajó, olè ajá, ìlú àdàrú, eku ò ní ké bí eku mọ́ ẹyẹ ò ní ké bí ẹyẹ. Àjọ̀nú màlẹ́kà kan l'Àbíkẹ́ fún ara ẹ o. Ẹ má dánwò ẹ gbọ́wọ́ yín dúró síbi tẹ́ gbé dúró sí yẹn náà ni. But mo fẹ́ kẹ́yìn èèyàn learn. Because you should apply this to your daily lives. Don't say because somebody is my friend or we are so close, she cannot kill me. Don't say somebody is my family member, they cannot kill me. This is how evil people, malicious people react to people that correct them. Or probably people that think, they need to put things in the right, place. Oh, God. Mo kàn ro gan pé kí ló dé gangan, kí ló lè tó yìí gan, kí ló dé, kí ló jẹrẹ gangan náà. I know about Misholakwe that when it's not my time, nobody can take me. But sincerely speaking, there are times when you have to actually think straight and tell yourself nothing but the pure truth. That if they had actually succeeded, what would have happened, babes? Tell me. Kí ni kò bá ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Alágbára máa ń dọ̀lẹ́ gbà mí ṣẹ́yìn ògbọ́rí ni. Ọlọ́run má gbàgbára lọ́wọ́ wa náà. Alágbára máa actually di ọ̀lẹ ní ìgbà míì. Mo ń jáde lọ lálẹ́ yìí ni o. Sí oyin sexy ẹ̀rí ni. Kí n ṣáàtì lọ́wọ́. Kẹ́mi ṣáàtì lọ́wọ́. Mo ń ṣeré lọ ni o. Ọmọ ayé ń ṣeré lọ lálẹ́ yìí ní ẹ ṣáàtì rí. lálẹ́ kan tí mi fẹ́ jáde. Anyway, guys, mo kàn ṣeré lọ́sìn mo dẹ̀ ń ro gbogbo ẹ̀ pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan no. Then when things happen, you know, me, mo wá táwọn èèyàn ṣe lè own up to mistakes wọn. Do you have to put it on anybody? Can somebody push you to do this? When you're an adult, whatever it is you have done as an adult, you should be able to defend yourself fully without having to hang the fault on anybody's shoulder. You're an adult, you're not sick, you're not mentally derailed. You are fully aware of your actions while executing them. Why try to hang the blame on someone? I mean, it's not worth it. You have made a mess of yourself. You messed up big time. Admit it. Don't hang it on anybody's shoulder. Right? You are not in any form obligated to follow anybody's advice. So the moment you follow it, you took to the person's advice or suggestion, whatever, you went ahead to do evil to a particular person. You now say, oh, ọ̀rẹ́ mi ló ní kí n ṣe. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi ẹgbẹ̀jì ológun ló mú mi lọ lé ológun. Kí ló mú ẹ in the first place? Consult your ọ̀rẹ́ ológun. Ẹgbẹ́ ẹyẹ wọn ló máa ń wọ́tọ̀ ẹyẹ ni. It makes no difference láàrin ìwà àtọ̀rẹ́ ológun. The moment ẹ ti jọ agree láti lọ bá tèèyàn jẹ́, láti lọ pààyàn, it makes you to apààyàn gidi. Èèyàn tí ò ní bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run ọba nìkan ló máa wo dídí èèyàn tó Ọlọ́run dá. Gbogbo ọjọ́ tó máa ń gbé proof jáde, ẹni kan gbé proof ibi tí èmi Àbíkẹ́ ti ever mo tuntun sọ pé kán lọ pa lágbájá àbí kán lọ pa tẹ̀mẹ̀dù. Orí mi ò tiẹ̀ ní jẹ́. Àti lè sọ pé níjọ́ tán ti ń dáwọ́, ẹni kan mówó jọ, kán mú ibi tí mo ti dáwọ́ wá rí, kán fún yín proof orúkọ Àbíkẹ́ Jagaban Tolúlọpẹ́ tó fi sọ pé ẹ lọ pa lágbájá àbí ẹ lọ pa tẹ̀mẹ̀dù. I don't have the mind to do so. I come out, I use my voice. Màá sọ pé okay, ẹ má ṣègbè, ẹ má ṣàwò, but not pé ẹ lọ pa èèyàn. Pààyàn for what? Kí ló lè tó yẹn? Kí ni mo ṣe fẹ́ sábọ̀d? Why does she want my downfall? Why does Isabel want me to die? Apààyàn lásẹ̀bọ̀d, man. Evidence la rí káàkiri pé ó ní kán lọ pa èèyàn. Kí ló ní kán lọ pààyàn fún? Ṣé yẹn ni kó gun ayé ẹ̀mí ni tán bá pààyàn tán? Ó lè bọ́ ń bẹ̀. Ó máa tún ìṣòro kan kó sì mí ni. Gbogbo ilé ayé ẹ kò ju ìka lọ tó fún mọ́ ọmọ abọ́dẹ̀rìn. Ó lè bọ́ ń bẹ̀. Ó mọ yorí tó ti slander tó ti bàjẹ́ ni, tó ti ra bí fún, tó ti ra ìbú tí ò sí fún. Ṣebí náà? Man, I can't get over it. Ó mọ ọmọ kékeré ó finish ẹ̀. Ó má gbàlagbà ó finish ẹ̀. Ó mọ mi dán mọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ ó finish wọn kí lè ṣe wọn gangan. Ó mú pastor ó finish ẹ̀, ó mú imam ó finish ẹ̀. Ó mọ ọ̀rẹ́ ó finish, kò sẹ́ni tí ò lè fi ẹnu finish. You're so malicious, so very vicious, an extremist. You wouldn't stop at nothing but people's destruction, their downfall. Kí ló fẹ́ gé nínú ẹ̀? Ó dẹ̀ lé ẹnu lásán ló ní. Tó bá ní kàn fi street tactics, kàn fi attack èèyàn, màá mú street tactics, màá fi finish ẹ̀. Ọwọ́ kan ni wọ́n máa kú. Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè ọba mímọ́ ń gbọ́. Àwọn ọmọ ayé ò láìkí ẹ, àwọn tó láyé gangan wọ́n hate ẹ, wọ́n lè pa ẹ́. Kí ló fẹ́ gain nínú ẹ̀? Ẹ mú lágbájá ẹ lọ pa, ẹ mú tàmẹ̀dù ẹ lọ dá ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ légbodò. Kí ni gain ẹ nínú ẹ̀? Cause I can't get over it. Ayé Mẹ́síọlá ò ní da olórí burúkú ẹ̀jẹ̀ àtòrí tó ń tẹ Mẹ́síọlá. Òfò ló máa ṣe, kó òjijì ló máa pa ẹ́, wọ́n máa ké gbàjarè nínú ilé ẹ̀ ni láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà. Ọdún tó ń lọ sópin yóò máa palẹ̀ mọ́ ẹ ní tìrantìran tẹ́ bí gbogbo ẹ̀jẹ̀, gbogbo orí, gbogbo ìṣẹ̀dá tó operate Mẹ́síọlá. Kí ló kàn mí àti yín? Ayé yín ò ní dà. Abẹ́ ń ṣe èrè. Má fẹ́ pé bá ti ti yín jẹ́ ẹni tí Ọlọ́run ò pa lọ́rọ̀ Àbíkẹ́. Ẹ̀dá kan ò lè pa náà, ta ni yín? Olórí yín láìfẹ́ ò balance, kò ṣoríire, kò gbélé ayé ṣe ohun rere rárá. Oh, it's so unfortunate I'm not where there is lightning. I hope my face isn't looking too bad.
Anyway, èmi ò mọ reason tẹ́ ṣe fẹ́ pààyàn odidi èèyàn tọ́lọ́run bá dá. Abike ò ṣe pa ẹ padà lọ jíṣẹ́ o. Kò ṣe pa kẹ́ padà lọ jíṣẹ́ o. Wọ́n ní dágunró ò ṣe jẹ ẹ padà lọ jíṣẹ́ o. Abike kò ṣe pa kẹ́ padà lọ jíṣẹ́. Èmi Abike ò ṣe pa fún yàrá ya fucking mother fucking anybody yín o. Ẹ lè pa èmi Abike o. Torọ́wọ́ tọ́gẹ̀dẹ̀ bá gbé bí ṣe máa ń sọ fún yín pọ́n lára ẹ̀ ló fi ń nà o. Ẹni ẹlẹ́ni ló dẹ̀ ṣe kí ni ló ń forí rẹ̀ ru lómú. Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè ọba mímọ́. Kò sí nǹkan kan tẹ́. Thank you very much sister Ṣeun Dípẹ́ Olú. Kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ máa ṣe fún mi o. Èmi Abike mo ṣe kí ni mo kùtì lájà. I'm telling you. Tí máa sọ fún yín pé mo kùtù ní àjà. Èmi Abike kùtì lájà o. Àánú ojú kò ń ṣe kí ni kò ń jẹ́ kán tọwọ́ bojú o. Bí ṣe máa ń sọ. Àmọ́ ẹ lọ jáwọ́ nínú bí. Ẹ̀yin lẹ máa wájà. Jẹ́jẹ́ ni wàhálà máa jókòó. Ẹ̀yin gangan lẹ máa wá ìjà. Tíjà bá délẹ̀ tán lẹ́mìí ẹ̀ ní stamina. Charisma yín ò kí ń gbé. Ẹ tún wá máa pa irọ́. Ṣé yẹn bá pé kán lọ pààyàn dé ni? Wọ́n bú mi, I'm not happy. Wọ́n rárá bú fún mi. Àwọn ọmọ ayé burú. Àwọn ọmọ ayé ò ṣe ní bú ẹ bó bá jókòó ara ẹ̀ jẹ́jẹ́. Àwọn ọmọ ayé ò ń dédé búyàn náà. Àwọn ọmọ ayé ò ń dédé búyàn. Àwọn ọmọ ayé ò ń dédé gbéyàn ṣépè. How clean is iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ẹ̀ fúnra rẹ̀? Why the wickedness over Facebook shit? Bí ṣe máa wọ Esabod mi wish láyé mi pé kí n meet here in person because we did not belong to the same caliber. I belong to the same class and carcass like I used to say. I differ from her in entirety. But when it is just Facebook ihale. I wouldn't for any reason want to identify with that kind of person. And neither would I want to identify. But our personality, I won't call the Facebook to me, Federal. Seriously. Why would you want to go ahead doing jazz, printing people's pictures out for jazz? Whatever it is, like a picture in your phone, print picture in Ikaa. Don't get it twisted out there. In Ikaa, pure Ikaa. I'm not gonna let anyone confuse me or make me a fool to accept àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ òṣì kan pé a lọ bẹ̀ pé kán bá a sọ pé kíjà má sí money. Nǹkan ìkà náà print ìṣẹ̀dá èèyàn fún. Nǹkan ìkà ní mìíràn. Kí lẹ ní picture mi fún nílé aláwo? Kí lẹ ní picture mi fún nílé àfáà nílé oníṣègùn? Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá gbé lọ káàkiri gbogbo ẹ̀ tí ò bá jẹ́ kọ́ kí lẹ fẹ́ ṣe sí. Àbí kí ọmọ ayé ní sí ayé kan ò lè fi rúbọ. Kò sí nǹkan kan tẹ́ lè ṣe fún mi. I'm telling you and this I keep telling you. I'm gonna be around for a very long time. Àdéhùn èmi àti Ọlọ́run ọba ni. Ìjọ tó bá tà sí ẹ mọ̀ pé kò sọ Ọlọ́run mọ́. I'm not joking. Kí ni mo rà ń gba yín kí ló le tó yẹn gangan? Kí ni nǹkan tó le tó yẹn gangan? And this shows the wickedness that lives in men. So ẹ sọ fún mi pé tẹ́ bá wọlé ọkọ tí orogún ìyá tí ìyá ọkọ yín bá gbé ogun tì yín, ṣé máa pa ìyá ọkọ ni? Ṣé tàbúrò ọkọ bá gbógun tì yín ṣé máa pa ni ẹ máa mú fọ́tò ẹ̀ kiri? Kí ló dé? Challenges máa ń pọ̀ ní ayé yìí. Tẹ́ bá torí ẹ̀ nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹ tún máa rí mi àti mi àti mi. Abike Jagaban bú wa. Tẹ́ bá lọ lé ọkọ tán bá bú yín lé ọkọ yín ṣé fẹ́ pa gbogbo ìdílé ọkọ yín run ni. Tẹ́ bá lọ lé ìyàwó tán bá bú yín bẹ̀ ṣé fẹ́ pa lé bẹ̀ run ni. Kí ló fà láti máa resolve sí oògùn ìkà? Over what? Ẹni tẹ́ rírí. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lórí line lálẹ́. You've all got children. You have wives, you have husbands, you've got girlfriends and boyfriends. And you have some people you relate with as their best friends. Ẹ lọ ṣọ́ra o. Ayé lẹ rí yìí. Èní lẹ ń rí kò sẹ́ni tó rí ọ̀la. Anything can happen to anybody. Ọ̀rẹ́ tó sọ pé òun ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ lẹ́nìí. You never know what will become of you pẹ̀lú wọn ní ọ̀la o. Mo gbọ́ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ Bukky Jesse. I don't know who that lady Sade Shitamil is. I am not a friend. And I see no reason why Shade Shitami would want to kill me with Bukky Jesse. Like, seriously. It takes two to tango. She must have told her something terrible about me. Something appalling. Before Shade Shitami will agree to take her somewhere where they would eliminate me. Because mi ò mọ̀ rí, mi ò ní issue pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Kò lè sọ pé mo mọ̀ òun rí. Mi ò fojú mi rẹ́ni tó ń jẹ́ Shade Shitami kí ló fẹ́ pa mí fún. Ó ga gan o. Ó ga gan lé ayé yìí. Ó gbẹ̀gẹ́ o. Gbogbo nǹkan tá ń wò lórí Facebook yìí, I'm telling you. Why go fetish? Why become so diabolical over Facebook francas and runcos? Kí ló lè tó yín gangan? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Over what? Ẹ̀yin kan wá jókòó síbẹ̀. Ó ṣe jàre ọkọ mi Àpékẹ́ Àdé, God bless you my love. Ẹ sábọ̀dọ̀ á pààyàn. Ẹ sábọ̀dọ̀ á ṣe anything just to retain her seat as prophetess, goddess, as her madness. I mean, it's not even worth it. Kí ló dé, kí ló ń lé, kí ló ń jó ẹ lọ́wọ́. Tó bá need more power padà sí ìsà òkú náà ló ti jáde wèrè. Lọ bá wọn òkú ẹgbẹ́, lọ bá wọn ṣe meeting padà. Jẹ́ kó fún ẹ power kó máa bá wọn rò. Kẹjọ máa dialogue nínú bẹ̀. Má waste àwọn ayé gidi tó wúlò fọ́lọ́run lórí social media. I mean, it's not worth it. Mo wo gbogbo ẹ̀ pé kí ló dé gangan, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan, over what? Facebook fracas, social media, people you have not even seen or met before, and you're going to this extreme with them. Esabod. Ó mà ṣe o. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run pé mi Àbíkẹ́ òkú. Mi ò dé nílẹ̀. Ọ̀tá ń lùlù bàjẹ́ Ọlọ́run ò jẹ́ kó dún. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run ọba. You know, but I just still wonder why anybody would want to put me down 6 feet beyond. Over kini gangan. Kí lẹ fẹ́ yà mí wèrè fún? Ṣé ẹni pé tọ́ta mi bá ya wèrè kẹ́ má tún rógun lé ayé ni? Tẹ́ ẹ bá yíwà yín padà, ẹ lè bọ́ ńbẹ̀, ẹ lè kò sí bẹ́ ṣe lè yé dá. Ẹ lè escape ẹ̀. It takes you to yíwà ẹ padà kó tó di pé o má lè escape ẹ̀. Cause tí wà yín ò bá dá ìwà yóò dá ni, there is no two ways about it. Let's not get it twisted here. Ẹ lóko tẹ́ bá pàbí kẹ́ Jagaban tán lé ayé yín máa rójú ni. Kò lè rójú òdìjọ́ tẹ́ bá yí padà, tẹ́ bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tẹ̀lé ìlànà Ọlọ́run ọba. Ẹ sábọ̀dọ̀ kì í ṣèyàn. Olórí burúkú ayé àtọ̀run tí wọ́n ti ṣépè sọ, òun nìyewé. Kò lè bọ́nú èpè ló ń jà. Ìgbà tí only grandiose delusion or whatever delusion, ṣe báwọn èèyàn fẹ́ máa jiyàn. Grandiose gangan bá jà. Kò sẹ́ni tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ tó fẹ́ kó ṣoríire. Èmi ò rí bí téèyàn tí wà this mean rí. Ó fẹ́ mẹ́ni tó ń dóbò, ó fẹ́ mẹ́ni tó ń dóko. Kí ni títí ẹ gangan? Nǹkan ẹyọ kan tó ṣe pẹ̀lú òbò ńjọ́ tó dá òbò, òun ni dídó. The only reason why Obo was created is to be dode. The only reason why Oko was created is to be doing. So what's the big deal? What is your own? Oyore kúrò ní fuck police. O tún ní wọ́n tewo on tegbo. Ewé àtegbò tó ń pa àwọn èèyàn. Thank you, Shola Remu. You wouldn't die as well. I understand Janet Abayomi. Yes, I know I live within the enemy. I move within them. And I am fully conscious of them around me. But just like I used to tell you, pé mani come ní ọ̀la no ma mú. Èmi ò ní ní kẹ́ má bu nǹkan tó tí ẹ bú sí kí n mú ni. Èmi ò ní kẹ́ má ná nǹkan lẹ̀ sórí iṣẹ́ mi. Ẹ ná sí kí n jókòó sí. Tí n bá jókòó sí kò sọ́lọ́run mọ́. Àmọ́ tí n bá jókòó sí máa jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ pé mo lọ́lọ́run. Kò sí big deal now. Ẹ yọ sí mi lójú orúkọ àjọ dialogue náà ni tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ ṣe tán ẹ máa lọ lé yín kémi náà padà sùn. Kí ni big deal?
Eye halẹ̀ mọ́ Káyọ̀dé mi. Lágbájá àjẹta mẹ́dù oṣó. Ibi bá ń pàjẹ́ kó bọ́ sínú ilé kó má kọ bí ẹ kó má bí gbẹ̀yìn ẹ kó jẹ́ náà. Kó mú mi sí ó bá dẹ̀ lè mú mi. Kó gbé ẹmu jáde kó fi step ẹ̀ down kí n tèmi. Èwo làbọ̀rọ̀ sọ pé Àbíkẹ́ lẹ fẹ́ jẹ. Kí lẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mi gangan èwo làbọ̀rọ̀ máa mú fọ́tò mi àtòdúkọ mi kiri ilé gbogbo ológun. Lágbájá ló mú mi lọ tàmẹ̀dù ló mú mi lọ. Èèyàn mú àgbàlagbà lọ. Ìkà tó ń gbénú ẹ tó wà nú ẹ tó fẹ́ ṣe òun ló mú ẹ̀tọ́ àgbàlagbà kan lọ pé kó jọ kó filé ológun wẹ̀. Ẹni tó filé ológun wẹ̀ kọ́ ló ní fault. Ìwọ tó rò pé o fẹ́ bá tèèyàn jẹ́ o need help. Ìwọ gangan ló wà at fault. Ẹni tó mú ẹ lọ lé ológun wà compelled to do so because their loyalty lies with you. So there is no big deal. Ìwọ láti rò pé o fẹ́ pààyàn kọ́ rẹ̀ mú ẹ lọ lé ológun. Ó ṣe o. Ó ṣe díẹ̀ gidi gan ni. Ọlọ́run, I can't get over it. Kí ló dé gangan? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Nílùú òyìnbó. Ẹ bá sọ tẹ̀yìn tí Nàìjíríà wá sọ pé lóògùn. Lóògùn ibi tó gùn wà gangan ní London. Oṣòdì làwa wà yìí nínú London. Ó ga o. I have been partying every day since they plan to kill me. Let me see. All right, Yeti Creamberry. I've been out all day, my love. Don't worry, I will revert your call soon. Ibitaya Ibiumi, welcome, sis. How are you, mom? You know, I'm just wondering, why would anybody want to kill you over this Facebook fracas? Mi ò rò pé èèyàn kankan wà out there tí ò tọ́ mi tí mo dédé lọ tọ́. Tẹ́ bá wo ọmọ olórí burúkú Ṣakuru Magbelo Kwensa olóṣì. Àjẹkù ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ bí ẹsẹ̀ màálù. Ẹ rí pé mi ò mọ̀ yẹ́ rí. Ta ni ọmọ olóṣì rádaràda. Ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ pùnpùnpùn kí ló mẹ́kàn mi àti ẹ̀. Ṣé bó bẹ́ wá sínú ìjà ni òun á gbèjà Sister Bukky Jesse. Abike, you need to stop slandering. She did not trace the genesis of the problem. She never knew what was uprooted to call for my anger. Ó dédé bẹ́ sínú ọ̀rọ̀, wọ́n bú Bukky Jesse, wọ́n bú Lágbájá òun wá gbèjẹ́. Bukky Jesse náà mi ò mọ̀ rí, I never clashed with her as well. Jẹ́jẹ́ mi mo ṣe show next thing. Wọ́n bú mọ́mì, èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ bú mọ́mì bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Mọ́mì náà lòun náà ń bú ní èní yìí o, nígbà tó dójú ẹ̀. How I wish I could open so many people's inner eyes then. But nǹkan tí ya yín olórí burúkú àsáwọ̀, ẹni òfò ẹni àdáwọ̀, ẹni èpè. Nǹkan tó dánwò lélẹ́yìí o. Tí ń fi jáde fún mi ò dédé jáde fún o. Àmọ́ kò ní sùúrù. Wọ́n bú mọ́mì òun ti pé mọ́mì gan pé òun fẹ́ call attention pé ó ṣe fídíò. Mọ́mì máa ń ríran ni. At the end of the day wọ́n ló ń gbé mọ́mì ṣe pèlé ni. Ẹ sábà ayé ò ní da. O mọ bí ṣe jẹ́ èèyàn yìí ní mí tó bá mọ history mi ẹ sábà bó ṣe rí gangan nìyẹn. Mi mọ Ṣadé Kwensa, mi mọ Bukola Jesse, mi mọ so many of them, even with the ones that has actually decamped and still in between the two camps now. One join age and neither are they still on my way. I don't fucking give a damn. But then, me ò ní problem pẹ̀lú wọn one-on-one. Why would they want to fight me to a point of death? Ṣé wọ́n ti pa? Actually, anticipate the response àwọn tẹni kan pa mí. Ṣé ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀? Ṣórí ẹ̀ ti yí? Ṣé ó ti yá wèrè? Mà níbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run ọba o. Odidi ẹ̀dá èèyàn tọ́lọ́run dá. Lẹ́yìn fẹ́ yà ń wèrè lẹ fẹ́ pa. Bí ẹ ń pẹ́ pa màálù bí ẹ ń pẹ́ pa ẹdìyẹ. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ó ti wá kú yẹn gangan, does that make people love you though? Does that make you justified for all the evil atrocities you have actually committed? You literally knock on the door of trouble yourself, asking for my trouble, and you expected me to be quiet while you came knocking on my door as a bully. So the moment I decided to respond back to you, you now think killing me is the next option for you to silence me.
I can't get over it. And I can never be your friend. I don't know what you're thinking in your head, but whatever it is, man, èèyàn láti sásàlá fún ẹ̀mí èèyàn. Ẹ sábọ̀dù ń sanwó kan lọ yin búlẹ̀tì fún yàn. Ó lè ṣe. Ẹ sábọ̀dù ń sanwó kan lọ pààyàn. Ó ń sanwó kan lọ dásìrì kan lọ fọ́ ilé èèyàn. Olórí burúkú lobìnrin yìí. I'm telling you. Mi ò fẹ́ disappoint gbogbo yín mo ṣe máa ń dákẹ́. But does not now make me to ignore gbogbo àwọn trashy shit wọ̀nyí. No, I have to pay attention to it. Ẹni Ọlọ́run bá ń ṣọ́ láti ṣọ́ ara ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè ń gbọ́. I can't get over it o. I keep asking myself, so Ọlọ́run máa kó rí èèyàn gbà bọ̀dì. Alágbára máa ń di ọ̀lẹ ńgbà mi. So what would have become of me? Ẹ pa mí gbé ẹ dá àwọn ọmọ ọ̀tá mi lóró. Over kíni? Over pé kẹ́yẹ hùwà bàjẹ́ mọ́. Ìbá ṣe pé mi ò pariwo kẹ́yẹ hùwà bàjẹ́ ni. The ìwà bàjẹ́ would have still been in circulation. It would have still been going on. You all would have still been happy with doing it. Àbí ẹ bá má ronú àti pàbíkẹ́. But the moment I kick against that ìwà ìbàjẹ́, ó wá di wàhálà fún yín. Ó di kẹ́ máa ronú pé ẹ máa pàbíkẹ́. Pa mí for what? Ẹni nírú aṣọ kì í faṣọ ya bí ṣe sọ o. Ìjọ tẹ́ bá yá tara yín lẹ ya ẹ̀rín wowo nìyẹn. Wàláì tàláì Jésù Kristi ń gbọ́. Ẹ gbàgbé wèrè. Èmi ò mẹ́ni tó gúnyán fún yín àmọ́ àwọn tó gún tèmi yàtọ̀. Èmi ò mẹ́ni tó ṣògùn fún yín àmọ́ àwọn tó ṣe tèmi yàtọ̀. Ẹ má lè pa mí kẹ́ má bàa kó ikú díẹ̀ àti àrùn díẹ̀. Ẹ ní láti lọ dẹ́kun wà bàjẹ́ o. Like seriously. And this is an eye-opener to all of you online with me tonight. I don't know how much people I've got. I think I've got about 700. Keep spreading the news. Share, share, share. Your people need to be careful, yeah. They need to be careful when they are fighting. Eh? Ẹ má fojú di ọ̀rẹ́ kankan ilé ayé lẹ rí bó ṣe ń lọ yìí. Ẹ wẹ́ sábọ̀dá máa ṣe bí ẹni pé Facebook fracas lásán la ní. Meanwhile, she was anticipating my death news. Ó fẹ́ kí ọ̀tá mi kú. Gbogbo wa tí Bukky Jesse ń ṣe kò bínú sí rí o. Inú ẹ sábọ̀dù ń dùn ni. Ó ń retí pé kó ṣẹlẹ̀. Kó ń wá rejoice pé Abike ti drop dead. Àmọ́ Ọlọ́run ò fún ṣe. Kí ló lè tó yìí gangan? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Ayé mà le o. Ẹ ṣe pa gbogbo àwọn kẹ́ńsáré wúbọ̀ tẹ pa gbogbo wọn pa Bíọ́lá lélẹ́yìn náà. Ẹ ṣe pa wọ́n rèé ní Nàìjíríà pa Gani Fáwẹ̀mí pa Fẹlá Aníkúlápó Kútì. Whoever that tried or that attempt láti resuscitate the economy of Nigeria. I'm not relating it to Nigerian politics and government. Because I came out solely to say, Yahweh, enough of your fuckery. You need to stop it. It was mad. She was mad with me. She went to the extreme with me. She kept going from one person to the other, seeking advice on how to bring me down, to kill me. Mi lówó tí mo fẹ́ gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ o. Mi ní position tí mo ń bá rọ́bù shoulder pẹ̀lú o. I was only doing my own thing quietly. With the low audience I've got, very little audience. Òun kẹ̀ ní rẹpẹtẹ, kí ni big deal? Ṣé ẹni kò pààyàn ni? Ó ga o. Ó ga gan o. Ó ga gan ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi o. Àmọ́ àní ojú tí ò ń jẹ́ kan tọwọ́ bọ̀ ibẹ̀ bójú ejò tí ò ń jẹ́ kan tẹ̀ nírù mọ́lẹ̀ kò ní jẹ́ kàbíkà yín kó ṣubú. Mi ò ní ṣubú dànù, mi ní ṣubú ara, mi ò ní ṣubú ẹ̀mí. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá ro bí ro mi wọ́n forí ara wọn gbé. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá ní wíwà láyé mi bí òun nú ọ̀run á pè wọ́n sọ́dọ̀ ní kíákíá wọ́n á dòkú. Ọmọ wọn á dòkú, wọ́n máa fojoojúmọ́ pààrọ̀ sẹ́mẹ́ntì, wọ́n á lọ máa sin ọmọ káwọn náà tó dé ẹni tó máa sin lójijì. Èmi ò gbéṣẹ́ ràn yín o. Honorable Jagaban ní ẹ ṣá mo ń wa mọ́tò mo ń ṣayé lọ lálẹ́ yìí. Ayé yìí náà ni nǹkan.
I will be sharing with anybody. Thank you, everybody. I know Rola Kemi Sonyaolu, she was so sure that I wasn't going to come back into the United Kingdom. Just like Bishade Mazapeton, Olori Burukolo, Shakuru Magbe Pwagbo, Elese BSM Malu, àwọn èèyàn rí lánàá wọ́n ní ẹsẹ̀ dàbí ẹsẹ̀ bọ́ra gidi náà làbí kí orí sọ o wọ́n lẹ́sẹ̀ ọmọ yẹn bí ẹsẹ̀ màálù ni o bẹ́ẹ̀ pé pátákó màálù ló fi ń rìn ni o àmọ́ ní mo sọ fún yín pé rárá gidi lèèyàn ó ga gan ni ẹ ó ṣọ fún wọn gbà yín pé àbí kí ò ní wọ UK mọ́ àárọ̀ ogun tó ṣe náà nìyẹn ìgbà tó ṣe gbé yẹn tó di pé mo wọ UK next thing ló di pé ó ti wọlé o. What is the next line of action? Pashe ma palo wa ku báyìí o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká waste ẹ̀mí ẹ̀. Ayé ẹ ò ní dá Tókunbọ̀ Àṣàbí ọmọ Abọ́dẹrìn. Ó ní jèrè pẹ̀lú gbogbo àwọn tẹ́jọ́ gbèrò kà sí mi. I'm going to tell Buki Jesse to stop mentioning the name of that Sade Eloquenza on kí lórúkọ Sade yẹn? Sade Shitamil, sorry. Kó sílẹ̀ gbójú ńbẹ̀. Ẹ ti jọ ṣe ńgbà tó jọ wùn yín kẹjọ ṣe. Kò work nìyẹn gbójú ńbẹ̀. Sade Shitamil has not got anything to do with social media shit and mess. Let her go. Right? It's not worth it. Because a lot of people can't identify with the name Sade Shitamil when you mentioned it. So there's no point mentioning it. When the going was good, you were happy with her. The moment she said she doesn't want to kill someone, why are you feeling? I mean, it's not worth it. Let it go. So why accusing Sade Shitamil? Of course, we know what is true. And we know what is lie, what is not true. So forget it. I can move on. Thank you everybody for joining me. I am so grateful. It's just my little, food for thought. No matter how hot the heat is, never ever think of killing someone. It's not worth it. No matter how bad the situation is, don't you ever think of killing, bullying. Abike for basing your room over killing gongo for glass. Kema folly, kema for glass. Kema love sudden your physical attack. And what's a bottle delay is because somebody hurt you. What should you hurt? Why resolve to physical attack? Shadow Koyan come at your lejani. Ilo Ibola wa yi now. This is the low Ibo. Kaloma folly, kama for Kowatel. Like seriously, it's not worth it. You need to change for good. Yeah, Sade Shitamil allegedly. That is just news, Lagbo. We were not there when she and Buki Jesse was transacting their business. We shouldn't take to sight. Is it Sade Shitamil that I haven't met and I don't even know that I would now believe that wanted to kill me? Of course not. I don't know her. She should have no cause, no reason to want to kill me. Why would she want to kill me? Whatever Toba push her to kill me, she is only acting upon the instruction given by her friend due to the loyalty she's got for her. I'm telling you, this is a matter of loyalty. Loyalty ever falsy. I'm telling you, Abba mi pa Buki Jesse. Nǹkan tí Buki Jesse fẹ́ tó sọ pé òun fẹ́, òun ló ṣe fún yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dúpẹ́ f'Ọlọ́run. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dúpẹ́ f'Ọlọ́run. It is well. Osha, are you coming online? Anyway, èmi ń ṣeré lọ nìyẹn o. Wọ́n ní máa kọrin fún yín pé èmi ń ṣeré lọ nìyẹn o. Èmi ń ṣeré lọ nìyẹn, Abike ń ṣeré lọ nìyẹn Tumba. Abike ń ṣeré lọ, mo ò tí débi tí mò ń lọ. Mo ti kọ́kọ́ lọ tí kan mo wọlé bí 11. Mo tún lọ sí mi ẹ ṣá mọ̀. Ọmọ ayé ń ṣeré lọ nìyẹn o. Èmi ń ṣeré lọ nìyẹn Abike. Rí pé mo ti kó sí bọ́ǹfò ní yàrá ìyá ọmọ ẹni. Mo lọ ṣídìí fáwọn boys rí. Abike ń ṣeré lọ o. Ọlọ́run ọmọ ayé gangan. Anyway, màá tún ṣe live chat má débi tí mo lọ. Thank you so much, ọmọ ọba Wonoba. I don't know, that sounds like a Benin name. Anyway, I'll see you guys in about 30 minutes to an hour again. I'm going to do a live coverage. Anyway, we shall take over. I'll see you guys soon again. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining. Kisses and much love. Compliment of the season. Bye-bye.